Intro, welcome back. Today we are breaking down the Q4 results for Jio Financial Services. Let's see how the numbers stack up. Dividend, starting with rewards. The board has recommended a final dividend of 0.60 rupees per share. The record date is yet to be announced. Total income. Looking at the top line, the total income stands at 1,019.69 crore rupees. That is a solid 13.17% jump quarter-on-quarter and a massive 96.71% surge year-on-year. A very strong growth momentum here. Expenses. Moving to the costs. Total expenses came in at 719.99 crore rupees. Employee benefit expenses took up 129.03 crore, while other expenses accounted for 257.46 crore. The operating scale is clearly expanding. EBITDA. On the operating front, our calculated proxy EBITDA stands at 644.63 crore rupees, up 9.07% sequentially, and 57.52% year-on-year. The margin came in at 63.21%, healthy operational expansion despite higher finance costs. PBT, checking the pre-tax profits. Profit before tax reported at 338.53 crore rupees. This is a dip of 8.77% quarter-on-quarter and down 14.47% from last year. Higher expenses are eating into the margins here. PAT, down to the bottom line. Net profit is 272.22 crore rupees, a slight bump of 1.20% sequentially, but a 13.88% drop year-on-year. PAT margin sits at 26.70%. Taxes helped cushion the sequential blow. EPS. For the shareholders, the earnings per share is 0.43 rupees, up slightly by 2.38% from last quarter, but down 14% year-on-year. Summary. To wrap it up, the top line is showing aggressive expansion with 96% annual growth. However, rising finance and employee costs have pressured the bottom line and margins. The company is clearly in an investment and scaling phase. Keep an eye on operating leverage in the coming quarters. Disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice.